Hi everyone, this is Cindy Martin, also known as Teacher's Brain. I want to share with you the new sight word mystery with magnifying glass through Google Slides. If you look, you can see that the students can drag their magnifying glass to find different words, and then once they find a word, like this one says number 10 is and, they go to number 10 and they will type in the word and. There are pre-made slides that have the sight words already in them. If you want to change the sight words, you just click inside the text box and put any sight words you would like to. The first slide that I made doesn't have any words on here. The words I put here on the side so you could easily go in and edit each one if you wanted to make your own slides. You can duplicate a slide if you want to, right click and just duplicate, and then you can make another one. I don't want that one, so I'm going to undo. But this brings me to a very important thing that I want you to do with your students. I want you to look at this button, which is the undo button. If for some reason they get in here and they start messing with things and it's not working, then maybe they made it too big, they can use what I call the magic wand to undo whatever they did. Because sometimes when you click over it, you might accidentally click this and move it instead. And it's okay if they move, it's not that big of a deal as long as they can read the words in order to write the words over here. Teach students to click on the object, move it, drag, and drop. And then once they find a word, go over and use the edit box to put their word inside. Each one of these slides, the pre-made ones, have 10 sight words and there's 10 slides. So there's 100 different sight words on the pre-made ones. Of course, you can change sight words at any time and these are all set up for kindergarten. You can change them to be for first grade, second grade, so on. Maybe you are going to do vocabulary words. So I do have another slide at the very bottom. Here's the vocabulary mystery, and let's say that you're learning about science this week, Sink and Float. You can change the words over here, drag them over anywhere you would like, put them all over there, and then they'll be working on vocabulary words for your science. So then you can just push out that one slide if you want to. All right, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed. And as always, you can check it out. I have the link below in the description.